Hello BOSH Plussers, hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today's recipe is a good one for you. It's really bright and it's bursting with flavour. What is it? Well, it's a Thai green curry soup and it is delicious. Let's see how to make it. First up, you're gonna need some coconut oil, 2 tablespoons to be precise. Then some really finely chopped banana shallots, which are kind of sweet and cook reasonably quickly. Once they look like that, kind of caramelized, add some ginger and a little bit of garlic, then get some red chilli in there. And all of those things, those aromatics, are gonna come together to form a really beautiful base flavor for the whole soup. Next up, Thai green curry paste, but make sure you get a vegan one because obviously a lot of Thai curry paste has fish sauce in. Then coconut milk for creaminess and traditional sort of flavors, and vegetable stock because we're making a soup, not a curry. Now mix everything together and let the color of the paste permeate through the milk until it looks like that. That is really nice, and it's only gonna get nicer because we've got kaffir lime leaves and those lemongrass stalks. Now, let it simmer, let all the flavors come together and get that vegan fish sauce in there and that sugar if indeed you want to use it, but it just takes away a bit of the sharpness. Get rid of those lemongrass and those kaffir lime leaves, you don't need them, and then a nice big handful of spinach, about 100-120 grams. Now that is going to look kind of weird, but there is a remedy to that spinach, and this is it. Oh goodness gracious me, here we go. We're gonna blend everything together. And now watch the color change here. Watch that color. It has gone from sort of a light cream to a very deep green. And wow, I mean look at it, it's just health in a bowl. Now what we wanna do is we wanna warm it through again. So pop it back in the pan that it was cooked in, and then add some sugar snap peas. Now those sugar snap peas, you wanna retain a little bite to them because obviously that's where the beauty of sugar snap peas is. Obviously they're sweet in flavor, but they're really nice with that crunch. So just simmer it off for 3 minutes until it looks like this. The soup will be thicker, the sugar snap peas will still be crunchy, and then it's just time to serve up. It's such a wonderfully simple, quick, delicious, healthy dinner this. Fill up the bowl nice and full. Now it's time to dress your soup to make it look super pretty. A little bit of coconut cream is gonna go a long way. I mean, it looks like restaurant quality stuff this. Then you've got your chili flakes for a bit of heat and obviously color. And then finally mixed seeds because obviously they're super healthy and they get a bit of wonderful texture. I mean, look at that. Thai green curry soup. I mean, it looks really green. I reckon it tastes pretty damn good. Let's see what Henry thinks.
Anything that is that green is the kind of thing I want to eat.
We blended spinach here, right?
Oh,
so
wow.
like that's why it's so green. But obviously the spinach is healthy.
Yeah, man, it's packed with magnesium, packed with goodness. I'll have a go. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh man, Thai green soup. What a genius idea. I love it.
It's a good one, and like I say, once you've got the base down, if you wanted to just play with the veggies, feel free. Like you could roast a bunch of veggies and stick it in that soup, it'd be great.
So well, then it'll become more of a curry.
Then it becomes a curry. In fact, yeah, how is this? Yeah.
With the spinach, this is like a Thai green curry plus spinach, right?
Yeah, a little
spinach.
Bit. Yeah, it's a bit naughty.
I think it's good like this, it's a soup.
Yeah, it's good.
Makes sense. So do try this if you want a quick fix, and let us know your thoughts down in the comments below.
Peace.